Okay, moving forward with the renos into the demo portion this week. So
pull all the plaster off and get all the insulation out of here, and we'll start working on the outside.
And that tile is going to be a tough job. They've already hammered up a bit to see how easy it's going to come up, but we decided to go with doing the drywall first so we could wheel the scaffolding around decent. Got a bin coming here shortly, and it's going to happen. Holy crap, guys! You've this is like an hour. Holy cow! That bin better hurry up and show up. Should you take a break till it comes? So what do you think about behind the wall? What do you think about behind the wall? There's a... Yeah, looks pretty solid.
Yeah, really good.
All right. This little air conditioner here is working all right. The temperature outside is dreadful. It's got to be 95 already. I better get out of here. They got masks on. I don't. All right, I'll keep working inside. You guys keep working out here. Well, the guys work inside the restaurant. Oh, gosh, I'm still coughing. I'm working in the house. This is a mess I got to deal with. To be honest, I'd rather smash and bang out there with a mask on. But everybody's got to have a job. This is all treasures from Brad's mom's house. I'm going to get them all packed up, and then I am going to pack up everything. Some stuff from the restaurant, old computer that has treasured pictures on. I got to figure out what to do, but there's an old air fryer from in the restaurant that I'm trying to clean. That's not a fun job. Haven't done that before. That's what I'm doing. I got some packing boxes. I got some bins. And I just have to pack up the whole house and put it in the sea can. I'll just keep packing and packing, and they can just keep smashing and smashing. Oh, wow. Look at you. You're soaking wet. That's all sweat. Oh, my gosh.
It's not easy.
Good job. All right, what's going on in here?
We're digging her out.
What is this?
So the plaster, it's all plaster, so it's a lot heavier than drywall, and then they mesh that in so that they don't get any cracks near the doors and stuff. It's all meshed like that. So it's a lot of work.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. It's a beautiful hot day. Listen to me coughing. Look at that. And the dumpster's here. Looks like it's trying to get this bin as close as possible here. Good work, guys. I think it's going to be, it's a big one, but it's a low one, so we should be able to get stuff in it pretty good. Oh, we got the wire they're worried about. He's gonna have to resituate. But anyways, they're gonna try to get it as close as possible and start emptying the junk into there. Okay, now that the bin's here, it's all hands on deck. I gotta go help the guys load this bin. Well, we're back at it today
Day 2.
without Trent. He got called into work, which is great. He's a heavy equipment operator and he's been laid off.
Yeah.
So we're glad he got to work, but we're definitely missing him today. He's a good worker, that Trent.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Did a clean up, and now I'm gonna start trying to see what's behind the insulation and ceiling.
here, I'll turn it around. Yeah, so insulation there. Here's our bin. It's a nice big bin that we got.
25 yards.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, so we'll just keep going, trucking along. All right, and I just got to pick them up. I'm in the bin. Nothing to it, eh? Gross. All right, looks like birds' nests were up there. Brad thinks they closed it off, but they just didn't get all the stuff from the bird's nest. Gross.
Here we go. That's the last known customer of the Bluebird Restaurant.
It is beautiful, a beautiful summer day. Got some waves coming in because we had some big cruisers go by. It's Friday, so we get a lot of traffic, but wow, it's just gorgeous. Which is nice, just reminds us why we're doing all this. Here's our Leilu. She's looking for goose poop. Stop it! Here's the Friday traffic on the St. Clair River. Look at that. It's a big river. These are big boats. Taking a break. Having a hot dog. This bin's hard to fill because I couldn't get it too close this way because of the wires up above. So you can see that end is empty, but it's all full of insulation. You need to kind of pack it down, or I want to fill this right up and get use of a full bin. So Brad's going to try to use the skid steer. Here he comes. Has been so handy so far. Nice. Some progress here. Drywall and insulation out. Almost everywhere. The ceiling. Look at these great big vents. We have this wall to do. And we're going to get at it. My son-in-law is coming. He's going to help us out too. But we will have this tile to get out and the carpet to get out. So up in the ceiling, we found this old package of cigarettes. Oh, this must have been in there a long time. There's nothing in it though. Just the empty. Okay. We're coming along. We're getting this wall done here. Nathan's here. That makes a difference. This has been tedious around the windows because it's got that mesh in there and it is a lot harder to take down. Yeah, him and Trent got a little more brute strength than we do, so he also was banging up on the tile a bit here. He's got a pretty good pull, and that helps, but we're just kind of going from one job to another, and eventually we'll get it all done. It is getting hot again. We're like sweating.
Yeah, well.
Oh yeah, the insulation's gone.
feeling.
Oh, so we got a little air conditioner. It's not keeping the cold in here. Ah. All right. Well, I better get my mask on too. Trent today. Nathan back for more. Nathan's in the never-ending plaster area here. It's tough back here, eh? Like, it's harder to get off. Very tedious. This plaster, it's hard with that mesh and that. But, yeah. We've really only, this is our 4th day of demo, but it's hurting. It feels worse than 4 days, doesn't it? It does, yes. Here's the dumpster. Brad's been able to use the skid steer. Look at this little critter here. I'm gonna put you in the house. That insulation is probably not the best for you. But yeah, we're gonna have this filled right to the top here. The skid steers helped a lot to pack it down. Yeah, well, just keep going. I'm gonna pull some nails. There's so many nails. I started here on the bottom, just where I could reach, coming around, and I've got to right where this garbage can is. So I'm gonna keep going. And then I'm gonna get on top of that scaffolding, and I'm gonna go back around again, and somehow, I'm not sure if I'll be tall enough, I'm 4'11" and a half, to get all of the nails out of the ceiling. Here, let's see, let's see if I can focus on them. There's a lot of them. It's like a symphony of hammering. Good work, guys. That's awesome. How you doing? Can't keep up to the boys? I can't either.
I was busting the tile, and then he needed 2 guys to shovel instead of 1.
Oh my God. Look at the tile is gone. There's some mortar there, which I'm not sure what we'll do with that. But we're killing it today. Killing it today. These little rooms in the back have proven to be a real pain in the butt, these little rooms. I want to say they're time consuming, but really, you guys are doing it very quick. Go! Whoa! Look at this. Almost got the bin full. It's coming. Smash it. All right, we're at the end of the week. This is demo week, and it's turned out to be
A lot of fun.
a lot of fun. There you go. A lot of fun. Yeah.
A lot of work.
So it was a little hot this week, wasn't it, boys?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we're down on the dock right now, doing a little dock talk here, and it's been nice to be able to jump in the river before we go home with fiberglass and
Wash all the plaster and fiberglass off. Yeah.
But we have filled a huge bin.
25 yards, right
Brad,
to the right
Brad
to the
and
brim.
I couldn't have done it without you boys. Like, wow, a little muscle goes a long
we could
way.
have done it.
Spent the
but
day
it
smashing
would've taken
tiles.
us way longer.
It would have taken us way longer, that's for sure. Any surprises, guys?
Every job we did sucks.
Yeah.
The heat, that's what it was. But the plaster around the windows and in the smaller areas was pretty tedious. That was pretty tedious. And the tile was very tedious. That was a lot of work.
Yeah, that was some
Yeah,
hard work.
Nathan had some
Slamming.
tools. That big heavy bar, which I picked it up and moved it and was like, good Lord. So I don't know how these guys wielded that around to chip all the tile and then shovel it and put it in the bin. So
We got her done. Basically, it was 3 days of just wide open
Yeah, we're not 100% done. Like, we got nails to pull and carpet to roll, and I think we'll be on hold with the building for a bit until we get the house packed up. But that was a pretty good demo week.